Well, Juan Ponce de Leon was a Spanish explorer who in the 1500s was said to have researched for the fountain of youth, which was thought to be able to reverse aging. That fountain was never found, but recent supplements have claimed to do just that, reverse the aging process. I am joined by our medical expert, Dr. David Winter from Baylor Scott and White Health. Dr. Winter, good midday to you. Thank you for being here.
Great to be with you, Morgan.
We're going to get right into this because it's very important. Are there really vitamins or supplements that can reverse aging?
Yeah, that's a hot topic, and one of the hottest ones right now is a compound called nucleotide 80N dinucleotide. Hard to say all that. We short that down to NAD. Now, NAD is a part of vitamin B3, which we know helps fight inflammation, helps repair DNA, and unfortunately tends to go down as we age. And so that's the concern, decreasing DNA.
Okay, can we get into more when we talk about NAD, what it actually does to help the aging process?
Yeah, it's a bit complicated, but we know in every cell in our body there are mitochondria that are the energy to the cell. They keep the cell healthy and alive. And as NAD levels go down, mitochondria get weaker. So that's the concern, the link between mitochondria and the NAD.
So when we're talking about taking an NAD supplement, can it actually get into the cells of the body? Does it go that deep?
Well, that's the good news. There have been good studies that show that if you take NAD supplements, either pills or an injection, your NAD levels do go up. Now, does that make a difference? Here's the dilemma. In science, when A equals B and B equals C, does A equal C? Not always. So more studies need to be done here to find out for sure.
Okay, so I guess the last question I have for you, and again, we talk about how hot of a topic this is. When we talk about those NAD pills, can they actually slow down the aging process? And when we're talking about extending our actual lives?
That's the important question. You got it, Morgan. And there's been no good studies that show that. It doesn't mean it doesn't happen, but no studies have shown that yet. We know you get vitamins best through fruits and vegetables, and sometimes from supplements. But until the study shows this for sure, we can't be convinced that just taking a pill is going to make a difference. More studies to come, Morgan.
So would it be safe to say that we should just maybe be healthy? Just do like natural healthy things if we want to slow that down?
Eat a good diet, exercise, sleep well, do all the right stuff. You got it.
Yes, drink water, mind our own business. Dr. Winter, thank you so much for being here. That is so helpful. We always appreciate your time.
Thank you, Morgan. Take care.